It's a journey of 1 plus year, 1 year, 3 months. To be exact, I started my entrepreneurship journey on 30th June 2020, which was my last day of my job. And I took a plunge. I decided that I want to pursue what I really want to do from bottom of my heart, and I started doing coaching, training, and talking to people for more than a year. And today I'm recording this video with a very specific reason, where I'm announcing the launch of my personal brand, LastRowClub.com. So by the time I finish this video, I want you to go and visit LastRowClub.com and look at the content, take up the assessment survey which I have personally designed inside the LastRowClub.com, which has a logical output, and I'm sure you will like this and you will enjoy that survey and the outcome what you get. So I'm here today in Dubai. You can see the address hotel behind me. I'm at the basement of a Burj Khalifa, and there is a fountain show which is going on. So I'll pause this video and take you. So it's a beautiful evening. Only thing is you have to bear with me for the audio and the visibility part. But I'm really excited to record this video in this surrounding. Today from Dubai at the base of Burj Khalifa, the symbol of dreams and aspirations which I always consider. The fountain show stop. My name is Vittal and I am a lifestyle branding strategist, and I am recording this video for announcing the launch of LastRowClub.com. If you are on my video first time, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on social media, and I am sure you will get a notification whenever I am releasing my future videos. In this video, I am going to talk only and only about LastRowClub.com, and which is actually a lot of excitement for me. Since last 5 days, I would have slept only 2 hours every day because I was on the verge of giving a finishing touch to LastRowClub.com. And the way the content has came out, it is exactly the way I was visualizing and dreaming about. So the LastRowClub.com is designed for coaching and consulting to every individual who is looking for attaining that personal growth in their life. And when I was designing this content, I really wanted this content to be unique so that I can really help every individual who is struggling for that knowledge and information which will really help them to attain that growth. It's an outcome of my personal 22 plus years of journey, plus 1 year of coaching and consulting people and talking to them, understanding from them that what exactly they look for when it comes to personal growth. And that's the outcome which is inside the LastRowClub.com. LastRowClub.com has 3 levels. The first is free. Apart from that, the first level is self-discovery. So inside the self-discovery, it is very important for you to understand what kind of personality are you, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Before even you think of attending a personal growth and taking up a subject as your profession or a career, I really want you to understand that it is critical and vital to understand what type of personality are you. And that's what you will explore in the first level of LastRowClub.com. So I understand, and you will agree with me, that it's not that every individual can do every activity or every profession out there in the market. It's not that everyone can become an entrepreneur, or not everyone should be an employee, or not everyone can be that professional in that career. And that's where you need to understand your unique personality. And that is what you will understand in the first level of LastRowClub.com. On the second level, after you understand what kind of person you are, I am taking you to a second level where I am helping you with the branding, influence building, network building, so that I want to encourage you to become a self-made person and not to depend on anyone's recommendation or reference for your personal growth in your life. Even if it is a professional career in your job, or even if you want to become a consultant, freelancer, or entrepreneur, it's very vital that you must learn how to build your influence, how to build your network, and how to really go out and talk to people and start building your self worth. And that's what you will learn on the second level inside the last level. And third level is where I'm actually offering you a mentorship program, where after going through the first two levels and you understanding that yes, this is what I really want to pursue, I want you to feel supported. I want you to feel guided. And that's where my mentorship program will work with you, and I'll be working with you personally to guide you and support you to attain that pinnacle of the growth in your life. And that's a complete journey inside the Last Club. Though I really wanted to record this very short and sweet message inside this video, but when you really go and visit lastroclub.com, you will understand the kind of depth I'm talking about when I'm talking about personal growth. And this is the outcome of 22 plus years of journey, spending 100 plus hours inside coaching for last 1 year, talking to 5 plus nationalities and coaching them. And that is what has brought me today to launch lastroclub.com. So highly recommend, go take up the assessment, go around the lastroclub.com, give me your feedback. I will be more than happy to understand what you feel when you go through that. And I'm definitely going to see you inside the masterclass once you finish the assessment area, because that is what logically will take you to a right set of coaching program. So thank you so much for being on this video. I'm really super excited to launch this, and I'm looking forward to see you inside the member area, help you to attain that personal growth in your life. Until then, as I always say, let us help build a beautiful legacy of a great mankind with only religion as a humanity and a single nation with no boundaries. Till then, go and spend some time on lastroclub.com, and I'm looking forward to see you inside the members area. See you. Bye.